Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get a refund on instant gaming. So let's get started. First go to instantgaming.com and once you are on the home page, then go ahead and click on your profile. Now from these options, go to my orders. Wait for it to load its all thing. Then you can see the list of games or code that you have bought to instant gaming. Usually you will see a refund button besides each individual game or code. Now, if you can't see, it may be because it does not apply to the term and condition of its gaming. If you can't request a refund too and you really wanted to get one, there is still a chance. Now from this page, just go ahead and scroll down and click on Contact Us. Now here select the first options, orders and a product. Now click on I need help with an order and made. Next, scroll down and click on other issue. Select the problematic orders. You will see a list of games or code that you have purchased. Go ahead and click on that one you wanted to refund. Next, click on it and then there will be a continue button. Go ahead and click on continue and follow the screen instructions. Now, once you have sent a request, simply wait for a moment and you will be replied by the one of Instant Game Support via email. From that email, that will notify you what's wrong with the order and continue the conversations. If you do not receive an email, go ahead and email them directly at support@instant-gaming.com and that's it.